If you hear these sounds in the woods, run. These are the most terrifying animal calls in the Americas. Hit that like and subscribe or comment heart if you love animals. Deep in the South American clouds, the Andean cock of the rock sounds like a glitch in the Matrix. In Florida, the crocodile doesn't roar. It bellows at a frequency that makes your bones shake. Technically African, but often confused for a dinosaur of the Shoebill. The loon. Its laughter is the sound of pure, isolated madness. Finally, the lion. A roar so powerful it can literally paralyze prey with fear.